journey begins as thousands of premium mature brown coconuts arrive at our high-tech tropical processing facility.
Each individual fruit is inspected for optimal ripeness and high fat content before entering the automated conveyor system. Massive volumes of raw material flow through our intake bays to ensure a consistent supply for production. Industrial sensors track the movement of these coconuts as they transition from raw harvest to the cleaning stage.
Precision engineering at the intake point guarantees that only the finest organic materials proceed to deep processing.
Submerged in high-pressure wash cycles, the raw coconuts undergo a rigorous cleaning to remove all impurities.
Mechanical scrubbing ensures the removal of stubborn debris, preparing the outer shell for the next sterile phase. A final deluge of deionized water provides a sterile finish, essential for maintaining our high food safety standards.
We utilize high-velocity hydraulic impact hammers, assisted by pressurized water jets, to achieve a clean, instantaneous.
The internal coconut water is instantly drained and recovered, while powerful vibrations begin the crucial process of separating meat from shell.
Specialized friction rollers gently but forcefully peel away the rigid husk, leaving the valuable coconut meat intact with its protective testa skin. Advanced optical sorting technology scans the raw meat chunks, instantly ejecting any pieces that still have stubborn shell fragments attached.
The final step in physical transformation is the automated paring process, where precision blades shave off the brown.
The shredded coconut pulp is now channeled into our high-performance twin-screw presses for the initial cold extraction.
Immense hydraulic pressure forces the fatty oils and liquids out, separating the rich milk from the fibrous meal. A concentrated stream of pure velvet coconut milk emerges through stainless steel filters with absolute industrial precision.
Brief steam injection ensures structural stability of the liquid, while maximizing the extraction of essential coconut nutrients.
High-speed centrifugal clarifiers spin the liquid at thousands of revolutions to remove even the smallest solid particles.
Our aseptic filling line begins with a high-intensity ultraviolet sterilization process for every individual medical-grade container.
Precision-engineered nozzles descend with surgical accuracy to deliver a measured volume of our pristine velvet coconut milk.
High-speed filling occurs under a protective curtain of sterile air to maintain absolute purity and structural integrity.
A microscopic dose of liquid nitrogen is injected to displace oxygen, ensuring our product remains fresh longer. Hermetic sealing is achieved through high-frequency induction technology, creating a tamper-evident barrier against any external environmental contaminants. The final stage involves high-speed robotic systems that organize finished coconut milk containers into protective shipping cases. Advanced Delta robots utilize vacuum suction pads to precisely transfer multiple units into waiting corrugated cardboard trays.
Automated case erectors fold and glue heavy-duty cardboard boxes in a single fluid motion with industrial-grade efficiency. Synchronized grouping stations organize 12 individual units into perfect geometric rows before they enter the packing chamber. Precision sensors and high-speed actuators maintain a seamless flow as our finished product prepares for global distribution.
Our sophisticated logistics network ensures that every pallet of pure velvet
Massive high bay warehouses utilize autonomous systems to manage inventory with absolute precision and unmatched industrial efficiency. The final transition begins as heavy-duty transport vehicles are loaded with premium products bound for international markets.
Our journey concludes with the final result of our precision engineering, the purest velvet coconut milk available.
Experience the extraordinary smooth texture and high-fat creaminess achieved through our advanced dual-screw cold press extraction process.
Every drop embodies the tropical essence of mature coconuts refined within our clinical, high-tech industrial manufacturing environment.
We deliver consistent quality and silky purity from the heart of the coconut to your very table.
Thank you for witnessing the industrial symphony behind the world's most advanced and pure velvet coconut milk.